How do you hide your profile on Bumble app? I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Next up, in order to hide your Bumble profile, you can utilize the snooze mode or incognito mode. For that, you will need to go to your profile settings, tap on this profile icon in the bottom left. Once you're in your profile page, at the top right, you can see the settings gear icon, tap on it. Here in the settings space, you can see the snooze mode and incognito mode for date. Snooze mode allows you to temporarily pause your activity and hide your profile for a set period. If you tap on it, you can see different options. You can hide your profile for 24 hours, 72 hours, a week, or indefinitely. By doing that, you will not lose any of your connections or your chats. Whereas in incognito mode, it is only available to Bumble Premium members, and it lets you swipe privately, showing your profile only to those you have liked. So that's how we can easily hide your profile on Bumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.